sort actually sort only one thing, but it's better to use sort by. This is where we are sorting more than one criteria, more than one column in one formula, and it's going to be sorted in a certain sequence. So let's say I want to sort things by country first, then by revenue, or maybe by country, by type, by revenue. I can choose as many criteria as I want. So for this, I'm going to use the previous database that we just built, which is the sort function. And we're going to use the sort by equal sort by. Again, I can choose only the first one and use the hashtag. So it's going to take everything. Now, if you see here, I have by array 1, sort order 1, by array 2, sort order 2. So I have more than one column or one criteria that I can sort the data with. And they don't have to be consistent in terms of having ascending for all of them or descending for all of them. I can have one for each. So let's say the first array is going to be the 8th here by country. So I'm going to choose all of this data, comma. Do I want it ascending or descending? Let's say ascending, 1 from A to Z. The second one is going to be, I'm going to go all the way up just to ensure that I'm choosing all the data by revenue. So I'm going to choose revenue. Again, all the data, comma, but I want it by descending, -1. And that's it. So first, I want to sort things by country. Second, I want to sort things by revenue. So within this country, let's say Algeria, which transaction generates the highest level of revenue to the lowest level of revenue? That's why I chose descend. And then I press enter. So if I take a closer look, the years are no longer an important factor. I'm not sorting by years, so I don't care about the year. What I care about is simply the revenue. So if I look closely, I see that Algeria in 2022, I had the highest level of revenue from this transaction, then 14, and if I go all the way down, so this is Australia. You see I have the lowest transaction for Algeria, which is $61. So I went from 14,000 to 61. And then I have Australia again, 14 to lowest value. So I can have more than one criteria to set up my data in a certain order that, again, is required for analytics or for decision